we're gonna prove that 2 plus 2 equals 5. So, we start from 0 equals 0. Yep, it is right as all of us know. Let's substitute the left 0 with 20 minus 20, and right 0 with 25 minus 25. Okay. Now, it's time to factorization. We can factorize 4 from left side of the equation, and the same time we can factorize 5 from the right side of the equation. Okay. As we can see, there are two identical phrases on both sides of the equation. Therefore, we can omit them from the equation. 4 equals 5. Wow. We can write 4 equals 2 plus 2. At the end, the result is 2 plus 2 equals 5. According to mathematics, it is not correct to state this sentence. Where did we go wrong in our calculation? Share your answer in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.